Hello everyone, it's Angel from the Abernathy's Go Green, and today we are going to mask with the Ayuna Essence Mask. I did get this through a Beauty Heroes subscription box, so it came with the cream number 2 and their Nourishing Artisan soap. So I'm gonna review these little guys really fast and then we'll get on to masking. So first, their Nourishing Artisan soap. This is just a little sample. I love bar soaps in that I feel like it's more eco-friendly because you don't have to deal with the giant packagings that it comes in. It came with 15 grams of product in here. I actually left it in Arizona whenever we visited my sister over Christmas break, but I did use it for a month and a half and I have half of it left, so it's definitely very long lasting. A little bit goes a long way with this. As far as the ingredients, it contains saponified borage, olive, coconut oil with activated carbon that is said to absorb impurities, sebum, and toxins. I love that this didn't strip my skin like a lot of bar soaps do. Like I said, it lasts a long time, and I love that this had the activated charcoal to absorb any impurities and detoxify the skin. Whenever I use it, I just suds it up and then really concentrate on the areas where I tend to get clogged pores, which is definitely between my eyebrows and around my nose and on my chin. I don't find that it removes all of my makeup, so on days that I do wear makeup, I like this as a second cleanser. I oil cleanse first, use a washcloth to remove all of my makeup, and then do a second cleanse with this, or do my oil cleanser and then suds this up in my hands and then remove the oil and the makeup with this soap if I don't want to mess with a washcloth. But on days that I don't wear makeup, this cleanses my skin beautifully, and like I said, does not leave it stripped or dehydrated. So I absolutely love this. The full size is 2.8 ounces for $38, so I think that the price is comparable to other face washes out there in the green beauty world. So definitely going to be repurchasing this because the price is right and the performance is outstanding and it lasts a long time. Next, moving on to Ayuna cream number 2. This is what Beauty Heroes sent. Is the richer version because they figured, well, it's going to be cold and people are going to be needing richer creams, which is perfect. We did receive this in November and it wasn't that cold yet here in Oklahoma. So at first I did like my standard pea size amount and spread it all over my face, and I found that it was way too rich for me. So what I did was sprayed my face with rose water, and while it was still damp from the rose water, I just touched my fingertip onto the cream and spread it all over my fingertips and then rubbed it onto my face, and that was enough and perfectly hydrating for my oilier skin whenever it wasn't that cold yet. And then whenever it did start getting cold, I was able to use like I said, the standard pea size amount that I always use on all of my creams, and it was perfect. It left my skin hydrated. It didn't clog my pores despite having a lot of coconut oil, which was really what I was worried about whenever I first trying out this product. Let me tell you a little bit about this. According to their website, it has the phytopeptides to help the skin maintain its regenerative abilities. It's supposed to soften wrinkles, visibly improve elasticity. It's supposed to hydrate, soften and firm the skin's texture, even out complexion, and improve spots, and evens redness and tightens pores. I didn't feel that it evened out my redness because, well, a lot of my redness are post-acne marks and scarring. So the tightening of the pores, I didn't see any of that. I really don't think you can tighten your pores unless you're doing some kind of surgery or more invasive product. Maybe with time. I only used it for 2.5 months, so I don't know. It says you apply it AM and PM, which I did. It's supposed to adapt to the circadian rhythm of your skin. It acts as a makeup primer or a protective shield during the day while enhancing the skin's natural repair and restore functions at night. They do suggest wearing an SPF if needed because obviously this doesn't have SPF. So yeah, I really like this. I used it all up. It's an empty product. I absolutely love the smell. That's probably one of my most favorite parts about it is the scent. Oh my gosh, love it. It is, however, $198 for a 1.6 ounce of product. The results I saw in the 2 months that I was using this was not a life-changing miracle, and I don't think was worth $198. So I will not be repurchasing this because of that astronomical price tag. I think I've tried other creams that hydrates just as well as this little guy, but if you have $198 laying around, go for it. So next is the star of the show, the Ayuna Essence High Protein Cream in Oil Peel. This is the full size, and it comes with 2.7 ounces of product in here. I have been using this every Friday since I got it in November, and this product I love. So it says that it works in 3 phases. The first phase is the protein exfoliant based in aspartic and glutamic acids, release potent renewing benefits to the skin. Phase 2 is the gentle grain-free gommage polishes and rejuvenates skin's appearance. And then phase 3 is the formula transforms into an oleo essence finish that leaves the skin remarkably soft to the touch. Skin surface is refined, providing a visibly brighter, more even complexion, and you don't wash off the essence that's left after. You just leave it on and it continues working on your skin. So it is first thing in the morning. I've already sprayed my face with the rose water and my cotton rounds like I do every morning, and I put on some lip balm and eye cream, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this cream. First of all, like I said, I've been using this every Friday since November, so I don't have very much left. I'm gonna be so sad when it's gone. It smells amazing, oh my gosh. I could just sit here and huff this all day long. It smells so good. It looks like whipped cream in there. So I just like to use my fingers, clean fingers, scoop up some of the product, and just apply. You want to apply it kind of thick, which at first I was like, yeah, I don't want to apply it too thick because I don't want to waste it. But if you apply like a thin layer, it's not gonna work with the rolling off of the product. I'll show you whenever we take it off, because you don't wash it off. You use your fingers to roll the product off. And if you put too thin of a layer, you're like rubbing and rubbing your skin and nothing comes off because the product is like stuck to your face. So though you feel like you're wasting the product by applying a thick layer, it is necessary, sadly. And it doesn't work as well if you just like rinse it off with water. So that is what the mask looks like applied. It says to leave on for 15 to 30 minutes, and then I'll be back when it's time to take off the mask. It's been 30 minutes and this is what our mask looks like. It's dried up a little bit and it's ready to roll off your face. I have a towel on my lap. Normally I would be doing this over the sink in my bathroom, but for our filming purposes, Maverick's gonna be on the video too now. For our filming purposes, I have a towel on my lap. So what you do is you just take your fingers and you rub the product off, and it's supposed to just roll. You work it a little bit and it's supposed to just turn into this gommage, and it just rolls off of your face. This is what they call the second phase of the peel, is you're physically taking off the mask along with your dead skin.
Mom, are you taking off your mask?
I am taking off my mask, honey.
Oh. But why, Mom?
Because it doesn't need to sit on my skin all day. So half of my mask is off and it just leaves this like essence on your face. It kind of feels very oily and you're just supposed to leave that on. I use this mask at night, so I just go to bed with this essence on my face. But since it's during the day, I will leave this on, but I plan my day so I don't have anything to do today. I did everything that I was supposed to do today. I did it yesterday, so I can just stay home because I feel like I just peeled the top layer of my skin off. I don't want to go out in the sun or have to put makeup on top of this, you know? So all of that is just falling onto my lap where I have a towel collecting all of the mask. So that's what my skin looks like after we take off all the mask. Definitely hydrated and plump, and I absolutely really just love this mask. I always wake up with such bright skin the morning after. The essence continues to work on your skin overnight as you're sleeping. And I feel like my skin is hydrated enough from the essence that I don't need to follow it with a night cream or anything. So this is definitely a unique product for me. The only other acid type mask that I've tried is the Juice Beauty Green Apple Peel. I think performance-wise, that's the closest to anything like this that I've tried. But the removal process and the leaving of the essence on your skin part is definitely unique to this product. This jar is the full-size jar and it is $145. But I personally think, as ridiculous as that sounds to me, the performance of this product and what it does to my skin is, I think, worth it to me. I love that it exfoliates my skin without having to use a really gritty product that I have to worry about micro tearing my skin. I love how it makes my skin look the morning after that essence has sat on my skin overnight. I love how it smells. The experience of having this product on my face is it just feels so luxurious and just really good. I think I have one more use out of this jar. You can see the bottom of the jar already, and I will definitely be picking up another jar of this. So that is it for my review of what I've tried of the Ayuna line so far. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!